Hello, thank you for clicking on my profile. My name is Alinafe. You can call me Teacher Na. I am a native English speaker from Malawi. I'm based in South Africa, Cape Town. I've lived in Cape Town for over a decade now. I have experience working in a customer service environment where English is a major form of everyday business communication. I listen and have conversations with wonderful people from all walks of life. I cannot wait to meet, listen, and have conversations with you too. I have a certified TEFLO certificate. Besides that, I'm a self-taught fashion designer and a web developer. Yes, that too. I like meeting new people, reading books, dressing up, and going out. I know learning a different language can be very intimidating. That is why I'm here to make it simple, easy, but fun. So, in my class, we are going to focus more on English conversations, business English conversations, pronunciation of words you would like to improve on, and anything you need help with in English. This is a safe space for you and I. Mistakes are very much allowed in my class. Make as much mistakes as you can because that is the only way you are going to improve. I'm here for you. Relax and be yourself. I am very patient, accommodating, and very much understanding. We are going to explore different topics of your choice because you are my priority. The goal is to make sure that you are comfortable and confident enough to speak good English. Go ahead, book a lesson with me now. Let's have fun learning. See you in class. Bye.